So, you might ask what I'm doing here, why I'm wearing a jacket. And yeah, I'm in the Netherlands and it's 1000 degrees below zero. I almost died from the snow out there, as you see before. And what I'm doing here, we just passed the 1000 subscriber this month, and it took me 5 years to reach a 100 subscriber, and now we get to the 1000 subscriber in less than 4 months. I'm very amazed about that, also about the positive feedback. And yeah, a lot of people contacted me. They invite me to their place in the Philippines, or they want to come visit us here. And yeah, that's very nice, very good motivation. So I was thinking about what I'm going to do next with the YouTube channel, because we started this only for fun, for ourselves and for our friends or family. And yeah, after all this positive feedback, I decide to make the videos a bit more professional and also deliver a better content that has a value for also the subscribers. And I get here and I get some better equipment for filming. We have a professional photo camera, video camera, different lenses that we need, and a professional microphone, professional tripod, and some other equipment for the GoPro, so that I can make a better video quality in the future. And then I was also thinking about the content, what content I'm going to make in the future. So what is coming next? For the subscribers of you, you already see that we done with our Filipino native house. And then the next step is that we plant some farming trees, like a huge bamboo, coconuts, and also bananas. And then we plant a garden for us to become more self-sustainable and grow our own food. And yeah, I want to make videos about that and share my experience with you. And I will bring a lot of seeds from Europe there, and we just try it out what will grow there, because yeah, it's a different climate, and something they will grow there and some they won't grow there very well. So I just go to some stores and I buy different seeds. Let me show that for you. So that are the seeds that I bring. That's really a lot. We have a peppermint, a basilicum, that's a lemongrass, celery, and some different kinds of cabbage. We have Chinese cabbage, that's an eggplant. Then some different kinds of peppers. I also got some peppers for my mom. And then yes, some cucumbers, 2 kinds. Then we have different kinds of carrots, a lettuce, some rosemary seeds. I also have a rosemary plant that I'm going to bring there. Then we have different kinds of pumpkins, some Dutch pumpkins and some big pumpkins. And then we have different kinds of melon, honey melon and watermelons, some chilies, this kind, and habanero chilies and Thai chilies. Then we have different kinds of onions, red onions and some big onions and some spicy onions. Then we have really a lot of different tomato seeds, some Italian tomatoes, some small tomatoes, some for making a sauce. And then I also get different tomato seeds for my mom. She has a friend who's collecting the seeds, so we have 16 different tomato types in total. That will be funny. We will just plant them all and just see how they are growing, if they grow, and if they do so, how they perform. Because yeah, the climate is totally different, and we just have to find it out what plants are growing there well and which aren't. Yeah, and then we have that's the butternut pumpkin seed, and then some seeds for, that's a sunflower seed, that's a sugar apple. It's also, you have also sugar apples in the Philippines. And then we have different kinds of beans, some small white beans, some kidney beans, black beans, these we call fire beans. Then we have fava beans, green peas, some small French beans, and then we have corn, and I got this corn from my mom's garden. That's a lot, we can plant a lot of this corn. And then we have some corn, this is a popcorn corn, and the sugar corn. Yeah, and we will just try them all and see which one performs the best. And then I also buy some flower seeds. These are all types of seeds. And yeah, I don't know anything about flowers, but yeah, we just have to find it out. Just plant them. I have some chamomile, that's the only one that I know. I really hate this one, but it's also useful. You can use it for treating some wounds or whatever. And then yeah, I got also some flower seeds from my mom's garden. And I don't know the name of this one, but these are nice flowers. And that's also a very nice flower. I don't know the name, but I have a lot of seeds. And yeah, that's it for the seeds. And then I also bring some other stuff there, some sweets for my beautiful girlfriend, and some school supplies for the kids. And then I will be back in the Philippines in 2 weeks from now. And then we also get some animals, some goats, maybe some chicken, maybe pigs. We still don't know about that. We will just see. And then we will also make maybe some traveling videos. We have some places that we want to visit in the Philippines, maybe making some hikes as we did before. And if you have some suggestions for what content do you want to see, you can just write it in the comments. We are still a small channel, so if you make a suggestion, and maybe we will just do it. Just let us know. And then a lot of thanks for all the subscribers, for all the positive feedback. That is really nice. And then I see you in the next video.